Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to send your location on the Signal application on your iPhones in 2021. Really easy and simple to do. So if we just head over to the Signal application and open that up, once you're on Signal, all you have to do is find the chat that you want to send your location to. So I'm just going to click on my note to self chat right here, which is a chat to myself, just for the tutorial. But you're going to want to click on whoever you want to send your location to, obviously. Once you're in the chat here, you just want to click on the little plus option. And then it will pop up this right here where it says there's options for cameras, GIFs, files, contacts, and location. So obviously we just want to click on location here. And then we just have to type in the location we want to show. Or if you click on this little arrow at the bottom, it will then ping your location to where you're actually located. But for this tutorial's sake, I'm just going to type in the location here. So I'm just going to go Toronto. And then you will see it will then show the location being Toronto. And then if you just want to send it off, you just click on this little send button. And then it will then send that location in the chat, so you're able to share your location with your friends on Signal. Anyways, if this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.